Well, I got here another neon sign. This is a genuine Chevrolet parts sign. So one thing I noticed right away is that a broken section. The yellow circle is broken, but the yellow circle is made of two parts. The other one, it only blinks. So next step is to take out the broken section. And put a jumper wire between the two wires that used to be connected to that broken section. So I'm going to use this UTO wire. You can use any type of wire as long as the wire is not touching any metal. You can do this by putting the wire over the supports, just like if it were the neon. If you do that, there's no problem, but if you're using any type of wire and the wire is resting on the metal, in this case this is metal, you're going to get some sparks because regular wire is not insulated enough. So now I'm going to test it again. Okay, I can see that. I can see that there's another part that's probably not working, or it's the transformer. That one good. This one's good. Good, 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 good. It looks like everything's good, so I think it's the transformer then. Yeah, this sign has two transformers and one of them is not working. So now I'm gonna fix the circle, and when that's done I'll install a new transformer.